Welcome back. I appreciate you for tuning in. Before we get started, man, shout out to everyone that has hit that subscribe button. We're closing in on 500 subscribers, so thank you. Cannot stress that enough. Without you, there wouldn't be a channel. So before I get into the shoes, I have another pickup that's along the same lines. You probably can tell already from the thumbnail, but if not, you're going to see soon what I'm talking about. So yeah, I picked this up. It was on sale. I told myself I was gonna wait. Didn't want to get this full price because he's gonna be switching numbers next season. So might as well wait for it to go down a little bit before I cop. And I'm glad I did. My patience. I can't even talk right now. But my patience paid off in the long run with this cop. So here we go. Definitely wanted to add this to the collection. Got the purple AD. Nothing crazy. Size, 48, I think? Yeah. Size 48, which is a size large. So, shout out to, I think it was the NBA store. They had this on sale for like $80 or something like that. So, appreciate you. Now, let's get into the main points of the video. I've been sitting on this package for a minute because I had other stuff going on. Other stuff to shoot that was more, time sensitive, I guess. But I'm finally able to unbox this joint. Can't wait to see how they look. And this was another patient cop. Dang it. I ordered these shoes March 2nd. And it is April 17th, so I've been sitting on these for a while. But like I said, it wasn't like a hype cop or nothing. So it was a cop that I liked and I wanted. And I can't even get this junk out of the box. But when you've been collecting sneakers or buying sneakers, or in the sneaker game, I guess, for a while, you kind of know what shoes are probably going to sell, what shoes you can wait for. And this was definitely one of them. You see, Reebok box. I know a lot of you probably already clicked off, but it's all good, man. Everybody that's rocking with me, appreciate you for staying tuned. Size 12, of course. Uh-oh, almost dropped it. But yeah, this is why it's good to follow those sneakers accounts on Twitter that I tell y'all about all the time. Let's go ahead and get into it. You have your Reebok CL Legacy and peanut butter and jelly colorway. So this particular colorway, man, I really wanted it because I thought it was a Lakers colorway, but actually seeing them in hand, I don't know if that's coming up on camera, but that's more of like a laser orange. It's looking yellow on the camera, but in person it's definitely orange. Maybe you can see it now, but yeah, definitely orange. So it's more like a Phoenix Suns colorway, but still a dope shoe. And I knew that this shoe was gonna go down, so I waited. Didn't want to pay retail, even though retail was $80. I just knew that this shoe would be cheaper. So, I almost lost it. Hold on, where's it confirmed? So randomly while I was at work, the Twitter link came across. I want to say it was Sneaker Twitter, and I guess what is it? Fresh Rags, Florida, actually had these shoes on sale. So let me see if I can pull up my confirmation. I can't even. I just pulled up the email. That's crazy. Hold on, let me pull it up. Okay, somehow when I pulled it up, I ended up deleting it. But so y'all know, it's no cap. Come on, focus. What's that say? $45, and then with shipping it came up to $57. So It was almost half off, you know, and then with the shipping and everything. But for $47, I couldn't pass this up. Let's go ahead and get into a quick, you know what I'm saying, quick review or a detailed look. The outsole, you have like a translucent, like smoke gray. So that's kind of dope, even though you're not going to see that, but you know. White midsole, and then you have that orange on the heel. And then you have that suede, that tall haired or long haired suede on the back. And then you have this leather Reebok tag, which is dope. You got the white Reebok patch on the tongue. Has like this brown or peanut butter color laces. And the tongue is actually like a nylon or neoprene material. And then you get that nylon on the upper. See that purple, that dark purple. Suede along the eye stays. Then you have that Reebok patch once again and that leather. And then you have, I want to say this is black, but it's like a synthetic material, not quite leather. But overall, man, dope shoe. Even though it's not the colorway I thought it was going to be. I'm definitely glad to add this to the collection, especially for the price I paid. So definitely follow Sneaker Twitter and Soul Links, man. I cannot stress that enough. Because the $80 shoe that I was waiting on, ended up getting it for $45 plus shipping. So that's going to do it for this one, man. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely have another video coming up shortly. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe. And hit those push notifications so you won't miss my next video, man. So you got your boy E-Dot. You got the Reebok peanut butter and jelly. Thought it was a Lakers colorway. Sadly mistaken, but still a dope shoe. Catch y'all next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.